Republicans today, some Republicans criticizing the president's decision to move 9/11 mastermind Khalid Sheikh Mohammed out of Guantanamo Bay and to bring him to New York City for trial. Senator Kit Bond is the ranking Republican on the Senate Intelligence Committee, and he is condemning today's announcement. He joins us from, I think, Columbia, Missouri, and he's also the author of the new book, The Next Front, Southeast Asia and the Road to Global Peace with Islam. Joining us now on the phone.
Thank you very much, Andrea.
Senator, it's great to see you. Fresh from your appearance on Jon Stewart. Way to go, I just want to say.
Well, they told me I was brave going on as a Republican on the Stewart show. I said I was trying to get a root canal instead, but the dentist was busy. But I enjoyed it. We had a lot of fun with Jon Stewart.
Well, you did a great job, and he was very welcoming to you. So let's talk about this Guantanamo decision. You've got a situation where the Obama administration has said that they're going to try these defendants, principally Khalid Sheikh Mohammed, of course, in New York City. And both the Mayor Bloomberg, and Ray Kelly, the well-regarded police chief, say that's just fine, that they can handle it. What is your problem with it?
Well, I think it's an insult to the memory of those who were brutally murdered on September 11 to have the leaders behind these cowardly acts of terrorism sit in a courtroom blocks away from ground zero and reap the full benefits and protections of the U.S. Constitution. This is what Khalid Sheikh Mohammed wanted to be. He wants to have a forum to spread his venom in the United States. And I deeply regret that only 44 of us last week voted to stop the administration from doing it. The majority has now succeeded in giving Khalid Sheikh Mohammed constitutional rights he never had any business having.
Well, doesn't that reinforce the message that this is America, that we give these defendants rights, that everyone is given a trial and has that right to be proved guilty, that they're innocent until proved guilty, no matter who they are, even the worst terrorists that we've ever had in America?
I think this offers up the same kind of disaster that we found when we tried the blind sheikh who was behind the World Trade Center bombing in '93. He gave him an opportunity to get all the information that is available in the Constitutional Court provisions, and former Attorney General Judge Mike McKasey, who presided at that trial, said it was a disaster, and there is no reason whatsoever to try this person in an open courtroom in the United States with all of the powers that that defendants, American defendants, have to get information and expose all of the things that they want to talk about, and try to recruit more people like Major Hassan, who has just shown us that Americans can be propagandized and turned into deadly terrorists if they get the word from the leaders who wish to bring death and terror to the United States. I think it's a disaster.
Senator, let me ask you about Senator Patrick Leahy's comment. He's of course, as you know, the Senate Judiciary Chairman, and he issued a statement saying that the Justice Department's decision is a step toward bringing long overdue justice to the perpetrators of the terrorist attacks of September 11th, 2001. By trying them in our federal courts, we demonstrate to the world that the most powerful nation on earth also trusts its judicial system, a system respected around the world.
I think we have never before brought captured opponents of ours to the United States for trial. Khalid Sheikh Mohammed was a terrorist, and number one, he has the opportunity to discover and expose more of the information on how our intelligence agency works. It is an insult to the families of the victims. And number three, it gives him a forum to preach his violent, anti-American jihadism, or desire to turn more Muslims into deadly attackers. I think it is a disaster, and it will lead to less security in the United States and perhaps more danger. As Mike McKasey said, the trial of the blind sheikh in '93 did.
All right. Thank you very much for calling in. Kit Bond, ranking Republican on the Intelligence Committee and the author of the new book, The Next Front, Southeast Asia and the Road to Global Peace with Islam. Thanks so much.